Tired of wasting hours placing designs into mockups one by one? We all know how tedious and time-consuming that can be. Say goodbye to repetitive mockup editing. With the right tool, you can save precious time and focus on what matters most. Introducing the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator, your all-in-one solution for automating product mockups in Photoshop. Designed to boost your productivity and simplify your workflow. Let me show you how easy it is to generate dozens or even hundreds of mockups in just a few clicks. No more manual work, no more headaches. Let's start generating. In this demo, I'm using 3 designs just for demonstration to keep it simple and clear. Scenario 1, one-side mockup generator. Let's select our one-side PSD file. Pick the designs folder and set the export destination. You can set a prefix like test and a suffix like one side. For now, we'll export as JPG, resized to 1024 pixels. You can change the quality if you want. Ready? Hit Start Generating. The plugin will automatically detect the smart object and number of designs, then place each design into the mockup, resize it, and save a new version, all in the background. This is perfect for things like t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and more. The bulk mockup generation is completed. Let's remove all mockups and start Scenario 2. Scenario 2, one-side multiple mockup generator. Just choose your mockup folder. Pick your designs folder and set your output destination. Now we'll export mockups as PNG, resized to 768 pixels. Click Start Generating when you're ready and the plugin will batch everything automatically. No clicking or resizing required. This mode is ideal when you have many different mockups, like showcasing the same design on multiple product styles or angles. What makes this mode especially powerful is how it saves you from repetitive tasks. Instead of manually placing each design on every mockup one by one, the plugin handles the entire batch seamlessly. Whether you want to see your design on different t-shirt styles, mugs, phone cases, or posters, this mode covers it all. Plus, the automatic resizing ensures your output files are optimized for web or social media use without extra effort. It's perfect for preparing large catalogs, product listings, or promotional materials quickly and efficiently. By automating these steps, you free up your time to focus on creativity and marketing, letting the tool handle the repetitive grunt work. This way, you get consistent, high-quality mockups delivered fast with minimal hassle. Scenario 3, double-side mockup generator. First, select your double-sided PSD file. This is the mockup template that contains both front and back views. Next, choose the folders containing your left and right side designs. Make sure the designs in both folders have matching file names so the plugin can pair them correctly. After that, pick your output folder where all generated mockups will be saved. You can optionally set a prefix or suffix to your file names. This helps keep your files organized and easy to identify later. Then, set your export format, size, and quality according to your needs. Once everything is ready, simply hit Start Generating. The plugin will automatically detect the smart objects in the PSD file and place your designs accordingly. If you need to automate double-sided products, this mode is perfect. It's ideal for flyers, brochures, packaging, or products like t-shirts and mugs with front and back designs. Scenario 4, double-side multiple mockup generator. First, select your folder containing all your double-sided PSD mockup files. Next, load the folders with your left and right side designs, making sure each design pair matches by name. Then set your export folder destination where all the generated mockups will be saved. This final mode is the most powerful of all. It can process multiple double-sided PSDs along with their matching front and back designs, all in one batch. It's perfect for sellers with large catalogs or anyone managing dozens of SKUs across multiple platforms. Set it up once and let the automation handle all the heavy lifting for you. Everything will be aligned, resized, and exported automatically, completely hands-free. No subscriptions, no limits, just a one-time purchase that gives you lifetime power to boost your print-on-demand workflow. Get the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator today and take your business to the next level. Available now on Etsy and Gumroad. Links are in the description below.